Let's look into the future. Oh, it's coming into focus. I see a logo. I see letters. What is this? Well, this is the future of guitar repair services and other guitar services as well. Check this out. Guitar Quackery is introducing a new software called Fretlab Pro, which is going to completely change the way guitars will be serviced in the future. It's going to set a new gold standard. If you don't believe me, just keep watching. I know, it's about time. I haven't posted a video on this channel in over a month. I've been busy. Been working on a lot of interesting things, including a video, which is an announcement, which I'm still working on. But it's still not finished. Which reminds me, there's an old Chinese proverb that says, when you don't have time to make an announcement about the upcoming announcement, which is exactly what I'm doing. So there is going to be an announcement about Fretlab Pro. Fretlab Pro is a piece of software that I've been developing with my good friend and collaborator, Dr. Kevin Hausen, a retired research scientist from Boeing, so not just some kid from the street. And we've been working on this since early 2025, but as it turns out, Fretlab Pro might be serious competition for PLEK, but not in the way that you might think, or that most people might think that I mean. So first of all, we all know what a PLEK machine is. And let me tell you, a PLEK machine is a marvel of German precision engineering. Okay, that's my opinion. Now, some people might not be using it correctly. So that's a different story for a separate video. But PLEK machines are used by very good service technicians who service guitars, and also by some of the best guitar manufacturers in the world, including the best guitar manufacturer in the world. Okay, so they PLEK all of the guitars that they sell to you before they sell them, just to make the fret work perfect. All right. So it turns out that PLEK has been developing something similar at around the same time as we've been developing Fretlab Pro. So Fretlab Pro uses high-resolution 3D scans of guitars to perform analytics and more. And it turns out that PLEK now has a new product called the PLEK Scanner. You can check it on their website, which, well, scans a guitar. And I would imagine there's some kind of software that also performs analytics. But I haven't seen it. I haven't checked it out. But the fact is that it's similar. So now they're not the only ones, which means that Fretlab Pro is a competition. And we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So how do I feel about competition? Well, I think a competition is a good thing, because otherwise you only have one option as a customer. And that's not good, right? So for now, Fretlab Pro is only used at Guitar Quackery, at the Guitar Quackery shop in New York City. In the future, I hope that it will be available in some way to other people, maybe even you. All right. So I will show you what the software can do in the actual announcement video. But today, I just want to show you a little bit. Check this out. Here's a scan of a Taylor guitar. It's a 3D scan. All right, so far, just a 3D scan. In this view, you can see that Fretlab Pro can automatically find the frets. So here I'm showing you how it jumps from fret to fret And in the bottom view right here, in the 2D plot, you can see a cross-section of the fret. We can also show the adjacent frets like this, okay? Then in the strings tab right here, we can generate a set of strings. So these strings that you see now in the software are not the strings that were on the guitar when the guitar was scanned. So the software can generate strings, and the strings can actually do things in the software you will see. The analyzer here shows the guitar, and here you have a fret analyzer, so you can pick a fret, and then this cross-section here moves to whichever fret you select. I just selected the 9th fret. It automatically shows a groove with a measurement, and you can move to any fret, either like this, or you just pick a fret from the drop-down menu. All right? Then you have a slice down the fretboard. We can zoom in on that, and you can see all the frets. This is a cross-section down the fretboard, right? So this is kind of what the PLEK machine would plot out after scanning the fretboard. But the PLEK machine uses a probe, I don't know what it's called, to scan it. And this is just a laser scanner, 3D scan by a laser scanner, okay? So this is a section down the fretboard like this. You can also slice it along a string. So here is along the E string. We can pick another string here, like the G string. So this is the slice right here that we see under the string. And you can also pick sections between the strings, like between the G and the B strings right there. Then there's a tap test. So when you suspend the string between the nut and the 2nd fret, you can measure the distance that remains between the bottom of the string and the top of the 1st fret. So on the workbench, you would just push the string against the 2nd fret and tap it against the 1st fret, which is why I call it the tap test here. Then there's a neck twist analyzer and a fretboard profiler. So this here shows you that there's a relief here in the neck, and then there's a little hump here, which is actually just a result of a fall away here, okay? So what you see here is actually stretched in this direction, which is why it seems like an enormous relief, but that's not how it is. And then here you can see that there is a simulator. Now, I don't want to show you the simulator today because I want to save something for the actual announcement video. And here, the last tab here, you can see it says report. Okay, so the report generates reports, PDFs. You can send reports to the customer, so it's all archived and more. So Fretlab Pro, yeah, it's going to change the way that at least some guitars are being serviced. There's a lot more to tell you about the software. Now, we're developing the software daily. As we speak, the version of the software is 1.7.0, and we're already working on 1.7.1. Now, by the time I finish this video, it might already be available. If you subscribe to the Guitar Quackery newsletter, you will get announcements about the new features that we've developed ahead of anyone else. So there's a link below that you can click on to subscribe to the Guitar Quackery newsletter. And, excuse me. Guitar Quackery Oh yeah, I was just about to say that. All right, thanks. Bye. So the viewer is asking me if there would be any way to support this the development, because well, he said that he wants to be part of this history, and there is. So you can click a link below where you can buy me a coffee. So any contribution is going to go towards further developments of the software and this program. And speaking of coffee, you can also buy a coffee mug like this, or Guitar Quackery merch. There's a link to the merch shop. All right. Well, make sure you tell your friends about this. So if you see a hype button, click on that. Let your friends know so that so people become aware of the existence of this software, which is going to revolutionize the way that we service your guitars. But I need your help. So the least you can do is just tell everyone. More to come.